cinematic B-roll of coffee for me. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. I hope your new year has been full of cheer and brightness, or as much as you possibly can have in these days of quarantine, right? I was thinking today, what is my film style? So as you know, if you're new here, and you probably don't know, I'm working on an ever-growing series called Director Directs My Life. And so far, I have done Charlie Kaufman, Quentin Tarantino, and Ava DuVernay. I feel that by interpreting or copying these directors' styles, I will be able to somehow figure out what my personal style is as a filmmaker, which I don't know what it is yet. Even this video was delayed because I was having technical issues with my computer. So I don't know if Mercury is in lemonade or whatever that time is when technology goes bonkers, but all of my technology has been acting pretty weird lately. So I decided that I would copy certain directors' style in an attempt to sort of teach myself what I like, what I would like to emulate, what works for me, because I didn't go to film school. I studied theater. I wanted to be an actor, but upon dipping my toes into the acting world, I realized what I really want to do is tell stories, but visually, and how I tell those stories is very important. I can't just throw a bunch of stuff out there, but that's really what this YouTube channel is for, so that I can throw a bunch of stuff out there and figure out, well, what is my style? So I've made a few videos, and with the Stanley Kubrick video, he has some weird dialogue, and some of it is inconsistent because characters will say one thing, and then the next thing you know, they're saying something else. At least that's what I experienced when I watched I'm Thinking of Ending Things on Netflix, which is what my video was based on. I've also seen like Adaptation in Synecdoche, New York, but my video was based on I'm Thinking of Ending Things because I thought it was a very unique film. And it wasn't a film that I needed to watch over and over and over and over again to get it. I also did Tarantino, who does, his trunk shots, and then characters dancing for no reason, and money, and violence, and the occasional voiceover that has really nothing to do with what you're seeing on screen, which is, I guess, how voiceover should be done, because you definitely don't want to voice over exactly what the character's doing unless you did that intentionally. But don't accidentally be like, and then I reach for my cup, and then the character reaches for their cup, and then I took a sip. It's ridiculous. And then I did the Ava DuVernay video, and Ava DuVernay is all about lighting Black people in the shadows. Letting Black people just be in the dark. What does a Black person look like when they get home and it's dark and they walk into their dark apartment or house or whatever, and it's dark and they're dark? What does that look like? I practiced not lighting myself. I was like, what does the natural light in this room look like? So I came up with creative shots. And I feel like from doing those 3 videos, I have come up with ways that I can figure out, well, how would I make films? I would make a film like this, and I would make a film like that. Because, hello, I am doing all of this from scratch, by myself, with no prior education, and the only thing I have under my belt is a bunch of weird videos, most of which I've either deleted or privated because they're embarrassing, and also my failed web series, which I talk about at length in this video right here. So I don't know, guys. figure it out. I'm figuring it out as I go, and I think it's wonderful and great. And I am trying, okay? I am really, really trying. This is turning out to be so crazy. I am also rewriting my stage play B-Day, adapting a play into a short film. If you just want to like copy and paste, I'm sure you could do that. But I want to do a little bit more with the story, so I've been rewriting it and I've been tweaking it and changing it. And pretty soon I'll be able to present it to my writers group and see what they think about it. And then I'll take their advice, tweak it a little bit further, and then I can think about casting. No, I can't. I mean, I don't know. I don't think I should jump the gun and think about casting. I would like to do like a what is it called? Everybody's been doing these like YouTube lives where they come on screen, and I did one with my friend where I talked about Halloween Horror Nights with one of my fellow scare actors, and she did like a YouTube live video, and it was really cool. So I've been thinking about doing like a live Zoom thing. Like maybe I can get a few friends together to like read the script with me. Like, I don't know if they'd want to read it with me. I mean, we'll see. This is me. This is it right here. This is me documenting the whole thing and like showing the whole thing, seeing if it works. I don't know if it's gonna work. It might turn out to be a disaster, and if it does, then I will let you know. Or maybe I won't have to let you know, because you will witness for yourselves firsthand. Like, hey, this is a disaster. Just kind of like how this Sunday video has turned into a Monday/Tuesday video. It is what it is, you guys. I'm a one-woman show over here. But you know what? I will see you next week with a new video. So please like, subscribe, share. All my aspiring filmmakers, actors, video creators, share my stuff. You know what? I'm going to see you next week in the next one. Bye.